Hello, fellow AI art enthusiasts. My name is Thane, and for this video I have collected 50 Midjourney FANTASY SREF codes. I have tested all of these style codes once already with my usual period symbol prompt. But this time, you will see 5 additional prompts for those styles. One will be in the landscape aspect ratio, and the prompt for that is Evernight Abyss --SREF number Seed 777 aspect ratio 16:9 version 6.1. I went with this because it kind of sounds like you would hear in fantasy, but it's not very commonplace. And the remaining 4 prompts are all in portrait aspect ratio 9:16. The other parameters are the same. For the prompts I selected 4 two-word combinations. My selections this time were Ghost Queen, Azure, Aurora, Emerald Phoenix, and Nightshade Rogue. The default style looks like this with these prompts. The names for the styles are actually made up with the help of ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to analyze the styles of the images and suggest options to name each of the styles. And out of the options I have selected a suitable name for each of the SREF codes. So the names themselves probably will not make your images look like the styles featured in this video, unless you also include the --SREF and the number. But sometimes exploring the style names themselves may end up producing unique and surprising results, so don't be discouraged. But let's take a look at the styles now. Number 5. Grisaille Fantasy Sketchwork. This art style features clean, dynamic line work combined with muted and naturalistic color palettes, evoking a mix of fantasy and graphic novel aesthetics, with a balance of detailed textures and soft shading. Number 20. Mythic Elemental Vortex. Highly detailed with dynamic lighting and intricate textures, the style emphasizes a polished, illustrative approach. The vibrant color palette and dramatic contrasts give the scenes a rich, immersive depth. Number 36. Neo-Deco Fantasy Elegance. Refined and elegant, the style uses soft lighting, smooth textures, and intricate architectural elements. The compositions balance realism with stylized details, creating a serene, atmospheric effect. Number 2. Mythological High Fantasy Realism. Dramatic and highly detailed, with bold compositions, dynamic movement, intricate textures, and rich contrasts. The interplay of light and shadow enhances depth, while atmospheric settings evoke a sense of grandeur and mystery. Number 4. Neo-Mythical Luminescence. Vivid and glowing green tones dominate the imagery, with a focus on mystical energy and ethereal effects. Highly polished character designs, detailed textures, and striking contrasts enhance the overall dramatic impact. Number 3. Fantastical, idyllic realism. Soft, warm tones dominate, with an emphasis on intricate clothing details, flowing fabrics, and natural landscapes. The balanced compositions and gentle lighting create a serene, regal atmosphere, while the fine textures enhance realism. Number 2. Dynamic Golden Adventure. Bold, dynamic contrasts of warm golds and cool blues create a high-energy visual impact. Strong lines, vivid lighting, and a painterly approach emphasize movement and intensity, with rich textures adding depth and dimension. Number 307. Dark Underwater Fantasy Art. Moody and ethereal, with a dark, atmospheric palette contrasted by vivid green highlights. Soft, flowing forms blend with detailed characters, creating a dreamlike, otherworldly feel enhanced by glowing effects and delicate textures. Number 326. Vibrant Fantasy Realism. Cool tones dominate, with glowing blue accents and soft lighting creating a magical, ethereal ambiance. Fluid forms, intricate details, and a delicate balance between light and shadow give the scenes a serene yet mystical atmosphere. Number 336. Dark Fantasy Epic. Richly detailed and highly dramatic, with bold contrasts of fiery reds, glowing blues, and vivid greens against dark backgrounds. Intense lighting, intricate character designs, and dynamic compositions evoke a sense of power and danger. Number 422. Ornate detailed fantasy. Delicate and intricate, with soft, flowing forms and vibrant colors that evoke a sense of elegance and harmony. Ornamental details, glowing highlights, and a warm, serene atmosphere enhance the enchanting, whimsical mood. Number 503. Colorful mythic vibes. Vivid and energetic, with bold primary colors and sharp contrasts. Dynamic poses, swirling elements, and glowing effects convey movement and intensity, while the clean, stylized designs emphasize a comic-inspired, action-packed aesthetic. Number 512. Retro steampunk fantasy. Vintage-inspired with muted tones and textured backgrounds, evoking a classical storybook feel. Intricate details, soft lighting, and rich red accents create a sense of elegance and timelessness, blending realism with a painterly aesthetic. Number 522. Epic fantasy saga. Dark and atmospheric, with sharp contrasts between deep shadows and vibrant highlights. The use of glowing elements, dynamic compositions, and finely detailed characters adds intensity, while rich blues, fiery reds, and emerald greens enhance the mystical and otherworldly tone. Number 523. Mystical wave illustrations. Bright and whimsical, with vibrant hues of blue, orange, and yellow creating a playful, lively atmosphere. Fluid lines, stylized characters, and painterly elements evoke a storybook charm, while the dynamic compositions add energy and movement. Number 577. Verdant Arcadia. Soft and painterly, with a muted color palette and textured brushwork evoking a traditional illustration feel, the characters and creatures are detailed yet organic, while the glowing ethereal elements add a mystical ambiance to the scenes. Number 610. Emerald dystopian fantasy. Dark and atmospheric, dominated by shades of green and teal with misty, ethereal textures. Flowing forms, jagged landscapes, and enigmatic characters evoke a surreal, otherworldly environment, enhanced by soft lighting and intricate detailing. Number 616. Vivid dynamic fantasy. Bold and dynamic, with striking contrasts of deep shadows and vibrant emerald, orange, and red highlights. Sharp, fluid brushstrokes create a sense of movement and energy, while the minimalist backgrounds emphasize the intensity of the characters and glowing elemental effects. Number 622. Sepia steampunk epic. Dark and richly detailed, blending realism with high fantasy elements. Dramatic lighting, intricate armor designs, and atmospheric backdrops create a sense of grandeur and tension. Bold contrasts and glowing magical effects heighten the intensity and mystique. Number 630. Golden epic renaissance. Dynamic and vivid, combining bold, high-contrast lighting with sharp, painterly strokes. The color palette is rich and saturated, with a focus on dramatic tones and glowing highlights that create a sense of energy and depth. Number 678. Muted post-apocalyptic grit. The rough sketch-like aesthetic is combined with a dark, moody atmosphere, featuring muted tones and glowing neon accents that create a stark contrast. Textured brushwork and minimal detailing emphasize the eerie, otherworldly vibe. Number 706. Cyan fantasy illustration. The style blends soft, ethereal lighting with vivid, cool-toned blues, creating a mystical, otherworldly atmosphere. Characters and creatures are depicted with flowing forms and glowing elements, enhancing a sense of magic and the supernatural. Number 751. Dark, fantastical digital cinematic. This style features rich, vintage-inspired tones, with a blend of warm golds and deep shadows, creating a mystical, antique atmosphere. The intricate detailing, glowing celestial elements, and textured backgrounds evoke a sense of ancient magic and cosmic wonder. Number 815. Emerald Fantasy Cinematic. This style emphasizes dramatic contrasts with glowing ethereal elements, vibrant greens and blues, and soft yet dynamic lighting. It combines fantasy realism with a mystical, nature-infused atmosphere, enhancing depth and energy through fluid motion and vivid color transitions. Number 8. 2-2. Fiery Digital Surrealism. Intense fiery hues of orange and red dominate the scenes, contrasted by deep shadows and glowing highlights. Dramatic lighting and dynamic fire elements create an otherworldly, apocalyptic atmosphere. Number 8. 4-4. Sepia-toned fantasy chronicles. Muted colors and ink-like linework give a vintage comic book feel, while minimal shading emphasizes a flat, graphic look with bold character designs and subtle textures. Number 8. 7-8. Golden Ethereal Cinematic. Vibrant and colorful designs with smooth, flowing forms, emphasizing magical and elemental themes. The polished, detailed rendering creates a clean, high fantasy aesthetic rich in glowing effects and organic textures. Number 9. 0-4. Cyan Epic Fantasy. A futuristic and ethereal aesthetic blending vibrant neon blues and greens with dark, moody environments. The characters and creatures feature intricate glowing details, creating a dynamic contrast against urban backdrops and fantastical elements. Number 9. 0-5. Red Dynamic Cinematic. Intense and dynamic visuals with a dark, dystopian atmosphere, highlighted by striking red and black color contrasts. Characters and creatures are detailed with flowing fabrics, glowing accents, and energetic motion effects. Number 919. Golden Dramatic Digital. Rich, cinematic compositions dominated by deep blues and fiery oranges, creating a striking contrast. Ornate detailing on characters and mythological creatures gives a grand, medieval fantasy aesthetic. Number 926. Iridescent Ethereal Fantasy. Delicate, ethereal visuals with shimmering crystalline textures and pastel hues of pink and silver. The glowing fluid-like elements evoke a dreamlike, otherworldly elegance. Number 9. 5-5. Ornate Dark Fantasy. Highly detailed illustrations with a dark, gothic aesthetic, blending intricate character designs, ornate armor, and mystical elements. Rich, muted tones and glowing accents enhance the atmospheric and enchanted feel. Number 9. 5-9. Dynamic Dark Fantasy. Dramatic imagery with high contrast, glowing accents, and a polished, detailed rendering style. The compositions emphasize bold lighting, intricate textures, and fluid motion. Number 9. 7-4. Elemental Fantasy Illustration. Richly detailed compositions featuring dynamic motion, bold use of lighting, and vibrant color palettes that emphasize contrast between glowing blues, greens, and fiery reds. Intricate textures, fluid energy, and dramatic shading enhance the sense of depth and intensity. Number 9. 7-9. Dark Vivid Fantasy Illustration. High contrast visuals with smooth, detailed shading and vivid colors, blending dynamic lighting effects with fine textures. Fluid character poses and sharp environmental elements create a lively, cinematic atmosphere. Number 1020. Sepia Epic Fantasy. Detailed illustrations featuring rich, muted tones with dramatic contrasts and intricate architectural elements. Characters and creatures are depicted with elaborate costumes and lifelike textures, framed by grand backdrops and atmospheric lighting. Number 1029. Gothic Fantasy Twilight. Dark, moody compositions featuring ornate detailing, subdued color palettes, and glowing elements that create a mystical, atmospheric ambiance. Figures are adorned with intricate armor and flowing cloaks, framed by candlelit interiors, and shadowed forested or mountainous landscapes. Number 1110. Electric Dragon Fantasy. Bold, high-contrast visuals with glowing cyan and red accents dominate the scenes, blending stylized character designs with dynamic energy effects. The use of sharp lines and vibrant colors adds a comic-like or game-inspired aesthetic, creating an intense and striking atmosphere. Number 138. Ruby Steampunk Dream. The visuals combine gritty sci-fi elements with organic and mystical designs, characterized by intricate textures and glowing magenta energy effects. The characters and creatures feature a fusion of mechanical components, vibrant auras, and detailed armor, set against desolate and industrial environments. Number 223. Green Mystical Realm Drawing. Soft color gradients and delicate line work create a smooth, flowing appearance, with intricate details emphasizing textures and light. The muted palette blends harmoniously, evoking a serene and refined aesthetic. Number 349. Warm Stylized Atmospheric Fantasy. Flat, vivid colors with smooth gradients and sharp edges create a clear, minimalist aesthetic. Strong contrast and simplified forms evoke a bold, clean look, without excessive detail. Number 491. Surreal Violet Fantasy Illustration. Soft, muted color palettes with a focus on purples and deep reds evoke a mysterious, moody atmosphere. Delicate textures, diffused lighting, and intricate architectural framing enhance a sense of depth and quiet grandeur. Number 565. Dark Fantasy Realism. Rich, moody tones combined with intricate detailing emphasize a dark, immersive atmosphere. Soft lighting highlights elaborate textures and creates a sense of depth in expansive, rugged landscapes and detailed figures. Number 576. Vibrant Fantasy Adventure. Bright, saturated hues with high contrast emphasize glowing highlights and dynamic energy. The composition is rich in detail, with vibrant color transitions and fluid lighting effects creating a vivid, immersive atmosphere. Number 652. Enchanted Woodland Illustration. Soft, muted tones with delicate line work give a graceful and ethereal appearance. The intricate detailing blends seamlessly with gentle shading, creating a harmonious and serene visual balance. Number 702. Enchanted Nighttime Fantasy. Soft, dreamy gradients combined with glowing highlights create an ethereal, cosmic atmosphere. The rich blend of vivid hues and flowing forms evokes a sense of otherworldly elegance. Number 177. Crimson Fantasy Majesty. Rich, warm tones blend seamlessly with soft, dynamic lighting to evoke an atmosphere of intensity and depth. Flowing forms and detailed textures emphasize motion, while intricate designs and vibrant colors enhance the visual impact. Number 965. Elven Realm Digital Illustration. Soft, warm lighting combined with natural tones creates a serene and inviting atmosphere. The intricate line work and delicate shading add depth and texture, enhancing the detailed compositions. Number 1998. Charcoal Fantasy Illustration. The use of high-contrast monochrome tones with occasional splashes of color creates a dramatic and intense mood. Intricate details and textured shading enhance the depth, while dynamic compositions evoke a sense of movement and atmosphere. Number 2010. Soft Glow Fantasy Illustration. The style uses soft, painterly textures and vibrant, glowing colors to evoke a dreamlike and ethereal atmosphere. Fluid shapes and dynamic light effects create a sense of motion and energy, enhancing the overall mysticism. And there you go. 50 Midjourney SREF style codes that look great with fantasy prompts. I sure had so much fun with these prompts, and I hope that you find some styles that you would like to use yourself. If you liked the styles in this video and would like these images and prompts in a prompt PDF format, come check out my Patreon for that. You can support the channel and see my videos a day early and ad-free. And it also helps a lot if you like this video and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and let's continue prompting.